Hi guys, going to dentist. Dental fillings took off. It's this side one, so I'm gonna fix that, and I hope that I don't need to pay again because it's not my fault. And insurance, which is still I have a year, or maybe 6 months, I don't know. So I'm going there. And I'm gonna show you my outfit. Sporty, Adidas. And this is from Stadium, Adidas as well. I like sports things. That's why I have this bicycle. And I walk a lot. Let's go to dentist. Dentist, tandlaget. Nice here. Fish. Dentist. It's take for me 15 minutes by walk to get here, because I'm living very central. I'm here a long time. I don't even remember how many years. The same place I'm going because I trust them, but sometimes it's not working so well like this time. But you know, nobody are perfect. Nobody is perfect. Correct me, my English please. So I thought I'm late, but I'm not. I'm gonna show you the time. Just turn my camera. Almost 2 o'clock. I'm waiting. Still waiting. I have to call to John because he was going to meet me 2:15. It's already 2:15. So I'm gonna call him because we're gonna take a walk together. Jättebra. Now I'm gonna put some lipstick. Now I'm happy. Yeah. Let's go. John is waiting for me downstairs. Let's go out. My dentist name is Mikkel. Lundgren Mikkel. Welcome to him. He's nice, very good, experienced dentist. So we're gonna take a coffee somewhere. Maybe here. We've never been here before. Cafe restaurant. Oh, we changed our mind. We're going to other place in the Hansa company. Le Croissant Cafe called. First we're going to the supermarket there because John wants to buy scallops. It's a very expensive seafood. You know, guys, scallops, which I bought recently, yesterday. 1 kilogram is cost 499 krona. It's It's 40 pounds. Yeah, it's 40 pounds for 1 kilogram. This is Le Croissant. And do you want to see first? No, wait,
I don't want to go there first. I'm not buying frozen there first.
okay, Le Croissant. Pretty nice. No, I'm gonna sit here on the slide. Move the table. Sit here. Oh, nice. And me here, sitting like princess. So I have a little bit makeup here, and that's it. It's my not perfect skin, because I decided from today natural video. And lipstick, red lipstick, I love it. Red lipstick. Give me comments. John, can you speak Swedish? And can you read Swedish?
Många syndar. What's that? Syndar.
Eh?
Många syndar.
Syndare, it's you do something bad.
Yeah, it's a cyclist going the wrong way.
Yeah. How to say syndare in English?
Imorgon rustning.
Syndare, how to say?
I don't know. Syndar.
I forgot. Syndare.
No.
When you did something bad, this you did syndare. I'm gonna look in my Google, and for me, cold tea, chai.
Islata med havramjölk.
Tak. Islata with havre milk. Nice, cold. This is called cinder. It means sins. Sins, guys. It's similar.
It doesn't need a little mix. So.
How well mixed, my goodness.
Don't get angry.
So guys, we're not just drinking wine and beers, we're drinking coffee. And I prefer cold coffee with ice. I do drinking in the morning, and I did today with my guest Stefan. Cold coffee. Do you like cold coffee? Give me some comments. More comments. Like. This is our communication. John is reading newspaper in Swedish. And you understand almost everything, John, yeah?
Some. Not everything.
Some?
Yes.
Okay. I always speak with accent, Swedish. Even sometimes Russian, I speak with accent. I've been living here most of my life. I'm living in Sweden longer than I lived in Russia or in London before I came here. So I lived in London and now in Sweden. Привет всем. Now I'm in a good mood. This is no alcohol. This is normal. What is that, John? A cafe latte with ice.
Yes.
Nice.
I don't know.
Nice bice.
It's latte. That's all it says. Don't know what that is.
It's a nice place. Talking more, I prepare myself for the winter because it's boring to show streets in the winter time where it's cold, rainy, or snow. Oh, we didn't have snow much at all here in Malmö. It's only in north of Sweden there a lot of snow. Not here.
No, but it's early September, so it's early to be talking about snow.
No, I'm not. I'm talking about winter. That's why I prepare myself to talk to you guys only. And show sometimes a little bit shops and what I've been eating. Like, you know, vlog, simple vlog, individual, just me. Just tell me, guys, do you like my videos before or now? Or I should make both? And it's very nice atmosphere here, and all these lamps. You can see outside, and there you can go to center shop Hansa Court, and down there, and in the basement supermarket, and few boutiques as well. Yeah, John.
Yeah, Stella.
Hotel. Anything.
Eager.
How's your day today?
Oh, nice and slow. Interrupted.
Interrupted?
Yeah.
By who?
You.
No interruption.
Yeah, you said I'm coming up. I need the tablet.
Yeah, I drank too much last night. Waiting for Stefan. After midnight he came.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. And
Well,
we
nice.
continue to drink wine a little bit. He's not
I
drinker.
stayed for 2,
Oh, you stayed for 2?
maybe.
In Labonvi.
Real.
Did you see Susan?
No.
No? And Lasse?
No.
Who you been talking with?
Christopher. Axel.
Yeah. And how they are? What you talk about? Football?
Private stuff.
Not private, about football.
Private.
Soccer.
Something about football, yes.
Yeah? They are not your friends. You don't need to talk private things. You are customer to them.
Thank you.
Nice coffee? John?
Jolene might do the quiz this week. So.
Yeah, she did last week.
It depends on her.
And you didn't win anything.
Depends on her agenda, doesn't it? On her.
Okay.
Whatever you call it. Her times she's working.
All right.
Schedule.
It's nice coffee. This is my lipstick. Red. Coffee latte. Cool.
East latte.
Is latte in Swedish.
Is what's on the
Ice
on the
latte.
menu.
Ice latte then. Slut. Ice latte. You see the carpet over there? Nice carpet. There's comfortable armchairs, the chairs. You can order food as well. Some I never eat here before. I never eat here.
You know, had something small once.
And it was a long time ago, and I forgot about it. Guys who watching me in Malmö, give me some comments. Did you visit this place? Is it good food? Good drinks? Write to me, please. I should say that face to face. Have you been here? Do you like it? I like it. We finish with coffee. We're going to supermarket. Quick look if they sailing still have scallops. John probably wants to buy, I don't know. But he said he has a lot of food in refrigerator.
No need to tell them that.
No,
Thanks.
John, it's my channel. I
Yes,
talk
it's your
whatever I
channel,
want
but
to
not my
talk.
business.
Look, we argue. It's all the time. So nobody is perfect or are perfect. Is perfect. John, nobody is perfect. Yeah, is because it's not plural. Then it has to be is. I'm not a teacher. I need some teacher to teach me proper British language.
I'd love
John
to
is
help
sitting
you,
over
but you
there.
just get angry
John is
with
over
me
there.
when I try and correct you. And you say, you know,
No,
more
the annoying.
better English than I do.
Annoying. Okay, let's go have a look if they have scallops.
Sure, I know more English.
There's a supermarket downstairs. There is I went with you guys over there, Systembolaget bottle shop. And we gonna get in and have a look scallops if they have. This is seafood, you can see scallops.
Stella?
And show you scallops. This is scallops. It's the same. Not so many. And this is the price you can see here of scallops. And prawns, 200. This big one. We're going to a Pickwick pub. John said for one. It's 3 o'clock. They are still closed. John cannot open it.
Well, they locked it, huh?
Yeah. They open 4 o'clock. Now it's 5 past.
Can't open it now.
Nice music.
Oh,
It's closed at the moment. 4 o'clock is gonna open. But we're going to Bishop's Arms. Bishop Arms. Bishop's Arms. Going there. And it's raining, so it's not walking much, really. Here is the Bishop's Arms. And John is over there. There's no people outside because it's not such a lovely weather. Get in. We're probably gonna sit in library. Yeah, nobody here. This is a hotel. Hotel. Plenty books if you want to read some. The ceiling, nice. Before I said it's not just wine and beer. We're drinking coffee as well. Now I'm gonna say it's not just coffee. We're drinking beer. I think it's not funny, but it's okay.
is that okay here?
Beer. Budweiser.
Budvar.
Huh?
Budvar, check.
Aha, Budvar. Check.
You okay with here?
Yes.
Cheers.
It's too heavy now. Too heavy.
Yeah, it's not so easy when camera.
You see, guys, bubbles and beer. Check beer. Boulevard.
Budvar.
Budvar. and that's why it tastes so nice, tasty. And I was in Czech Republic, and I love to drink beer there, but not here. Only first time I saw here in this Bishop's Arms, in this hotel.